The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might just rewrite the rules for pocket gimbal cameras, and leaks are dropping fast enough to make your head spin. From whispers of a 6K main camera to rumors of variable apertures and a square sensor that could totally change vertical shooting, this little one could be a game changer for content creators everywhere. Welcome back, viewers. JamS here. Like, share, and subscribe for more! Let's dive into what we're hearing. The main sensor is rumored to be a tube-style 1-inch, but the real story is the way DJI engineers might tune it. They could push it for higher resolution, bigger pixels for better night shots, or even a square layout perfect for vertical content. That tiny tweak alone could transform how we vlog, shoot reels, or capture cinematic moments without losing quality. Video modes are where it gets really interesting. 6K at 30 frames per second is on the table, which would let creators crop and zoom while keeping crisp detail. Plus, 4K at 120 frames per second is basically guaranteed, and whispers of 240 FPS modes aren't totally out of the question if DJI can keep things cool. That's a big deal because gimbal cameras have to fight heat and limited space, unlike action cams. Another rumored upgrade is the variable aperture from f2 to f4. Action cams already struggle to fit moving aperture blades in small bodies, so squeezing that into a gimbal is ambitious. Personally, some of us would rather see an electronic ND filter, but the flexibility of a variable aperture could be huge for controlling depth of field in tricky lighting. We're also hearing the Osmo Pocket 4 could include 360-degree pan tracking, built-in storage, SD card support, 10-bit color depth in D-Log-M, and even the Osmo audio system. These are features that make shooting smoother and editing more flexible. However, one thing still missing is a motor lock for the gimbal. So, if you want a fully static handheld shot, you'll still need a workaround. Timing is another wild part of this story. The rumored release is December 18, 2025, which seems almost too perfect if DJI wants to beat FCC restrictions in the US. Leak after leak is painting a picture of a camera that could finally balance portability, quality, and creative flexibility, but as always, nothing is official yet. Buckle up, because the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the pocket camera that content creators have been waiting for. Stay tuned, and I'll share the next round of leaks as soon as they land.